Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute, a unique and compact vehicle designed to meet the needs of urban commuters and small-scale transport operators. This vehicle represents a fusion of affordability, efficiency, and functionality, making it a smart option for developing markets and crowded city environments where space and fuel economy are critical considerations. From the outset, the Qute draws attention with its diminutive size and distinctive profile. It measures just 2,752 mm in length, 1312 mm in width, and 1652 mm in height. With a wheelbase of 1925 mm and a ground clearance of 180 mm, it manages to maintain both a low center of gravity and the ability to handle poor road surfaces. The turning radius is an incredibly tight 3.5 meters, allowing it to navigate even the most congested urban areas with remarkable agility. The design is very straightforward with large windows for excellent visibility and a functional layout that prioritizes utility over aesthetics. The front features simple headlamps, basic indicators, and a flat bonnet. It's not designed to win beauty contests, but that's not its goal. It's about practicality, and in that, the Qute excels. The interior of the Qute is minimalistic, yet surprisingly well thought out for its segment. It offers seating for 4 occupants including the driver, with 2 seats in front and a bench seat in the rear. The materials used are basic but durable, aimed at surviving heavy daily use. There's ample headroom and just enough legroom to keep passengers reasonably comfortable for short to medium journeys. Storage options are limited but intelligently placed. There are 2 lockable glove compartments in the dashboard and utility pockets in all 4 doors. Rear seatbacks can be folded to accommodate additional luggage or cargo, which is especially useful for small-scale commercial applications. The dashboard is sparse, featuring an analog speedometer, fuel gauge, and a few telltale lights. There's no infotainment system or digital display, which may seem like a drawback, but it's a strategic omission to keep costs low and reduce potential maintenance issues. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Qute is powered by a 216cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled DTSi engine. It delivers a modest 13.1 PS of power at 5,500 revolutions per minute and 18.9 Nm of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. This engine is mated to a 5-speed sequential gearbox. While these numbers may seem underwhelming, they are well suited to the Qute's lightweight frame and intended usage. The vehicle has a top speed of around 70 km per hour, which is more than adequate for intra-city travel. The real star here is the fuel efficiency. The petrol variant delivers approximately 35 km/h under normal city driving conditions, and the CNG variant can push that figure to an incredible 43 km/kg, making it one of the most economical vehicles on the road today. The Qute has a fuel tank capacity of 8 liters for petrol and a 35-liter water capacity tank for CNG, which translates to excellent range and reduced running costs. Suspension duties are handled by a front strut setup and a trailing arm at the rear, tuned more for comfort than dynamic performance. Braking is managed by 180 mm drum brakes on all 4 wheels, which, while not advanced, are effective given the vehicle's lightweight and top speed. The Qute rides on 12-inch wheels fitted with 135/70ths R12 tubeless tires that provide decent grip and cushioning over rough surfaces. Safety features are minimal but include seatbelts for all occupants, a robust monocoque frame, and a high seating position that offers better road visibility. It does not come with airbags or ABS, which is a drawback but expected at this price point and market segment. However, its low-speed operation and high maneuverability contribute to its overall safety in an urban environment. One of the Qute's most unique selling points is its classification as a quadricycle rather than a conventional car. This means it's subject to different regulations and is positioned as an upgrade from a 3-wheeler auto rickshaw rather than a competitor to traditional hatchbacks or sedans. This positioning makes it especially attractive for fleet operators, small business owners, and daily wage earners who want the benefits of a car without the associated costs. Another key highlight is the Qute's ultra-low maintenance costs. The simple mechanical layout, absence of complex electronics, and locally sourced parts make it extremely easy and affordable to maintain. Spare parts are cheap and widely available, and most roadside mechanics can service it with ease. This translates to lower downtime and higher profitability for commercial users. In terms of usability, the Qute is ideal for short urban commutes, last-mile connectivity, and small cargo transportation. It's already being used in several countries across Asia, Africa, and South America for purposes ranging from school transport to small goods delivery. The rear bench can be removed or modified to create more cargo space, making it adaptable to various use cases. Moreover, its compact footprint allows it to be parked in tight spots where traditional cars simply won't fit. The total cost of ownership over 5 years is significantly lower than any entry-level hatchback, thanks to its low purchase price, exceptional fuel economy, and negligible maintenance costs. The Qute may not offer the frills of modern passenger vehicles, but it delivers where it matters: affordability, reliability, and practicality. Environmentally, the Qute is also a step up from traditional auto rickshaws. Its liquid-cooled engine meets Bharat Stage 6 BS6 emission norms, and the CNG variant in particular is a cleaner alternative with significantly lower CO2 and NOx emissions. This eco-friendly nature makes it more acceptable in pollution-sensitive urban areas and aligns with government initiatives to reduce vehicular emissions. While the Qute doesn't offer electric powertrains yet, the current model lays a solid foundation for future electrification, something Bajaj is actively exploring. Given the global shift toward electric mobility, a future e-Qute could become a game-changer in the urban mobility segment. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Bajaj Qute remains one of the most budget-friendly four-wheelers on the market. The petrol variant is priced affordably for individual users, while the CNG variant is tailored more toward fleet and commercial operators looking to minimize operating costs. Government subsidies and incentives in some regions further reduce the financial barrier, making it an even more attractive proposition. The return on investment for commercial buyers is particularly compelling, with many operators recouping their initial cost within a year of regular operation. The resale value, while modest, is buoyed by strong demand in secondary markets, especially in regions where low-cost transport options are in high demand. The Qute is not without its criticisms. The lack of modern features like air conditioning, airbags, power steering, and infotainment options may deter some private users. The design, while functional, lacks visual appeal. Noise insulation is minimal, and the ride can be bumpy on uneven roads. However, these compromises are calculated trade-offs to achieve the Qute's mission: to be the most affordable, efficient, and practical vehicle for the urban environment. Its role is not to compete with cars but to offer an upgrade from a two-wheeler or a three-wheeled rickshaw. It's a transition vehicle for millions of users moving toward more dignified and safer transport solutions. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute is a niche product that perfectly fulfills a specific need in the urban mobility landscape. It may not appeal to traditional car buyers, but for its target audience, it represents a giant leap forward in safety, comfort, and efficiency. Its low cost, frugal running, and simple mechanicals make it a dream for commercial operators, while its small size and nimbleness make it ideal for the chaos of city life. The Qute doesn't pretend to be more than it is. It's honest, efficient, and extremely well suited for the job it was built to do. For millions, it's not just a vehicle, it's a means to a better livelihood. And in that mission, the Qute is nothing short of a success.